Are you still sending invoices with your old address? That is costing you credibility. Fix it in 2 minutes. So here is the deal. You have moved offices, or maybe you just changed your registered business address, but your Xero account is still showing the old location. That means confusion for your clients when they get an invoice with the wrong city on it. It can cause problems with tax filings too, and honestly, it just looks unprofessional. I have been a certified Xero advisor for over 5 years now, and I have helped dozens of businesses clean up this exact mess. So let us fix it together right now. I will show you exactly where to go in Xero to update your mailing address, step by step, no fluff. All right, start with the basics. Open up your browser and log into your Xero account. Use your normal email and password. That is the simple part. Once you are logged in, look for the Accounting menu. It's usually on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. Under that menu, you will find an option called Accounting Settings. Go ahead and click that. This is the place where you manage all the behind-the-scenes stuff for your company file. Now, inside Accounting Settings, you will see a list of options on the left. Click on Organization Details. This is where Xero stores all the key information about your business, including your legal name, your tax numbers, and of course, your address. Scroll down a little bit, and you will find the section labeled Mailing Address. This is the part we care about right now. Now pay attention to this one, because the address you put here is what shows up on your invoices and your tax forms, so let us make sure it is right. Now type in your new street address. Be careful with this one. Do not just write the building name. Write the full street number and street name. For example, 123 Main Street, not just Suite 200, the full address. This is a common mistake I see, and it really can delay things if the tax office needs to mail you something official. Next, fill in the city, just the city name. No abbreviations unless the official postal service uses them. So New York, not NY. Then add the state or province. If you are in the United States, you can use the 2-letter abbreviation. So California becomes CA. That is fine. But if you are in a country that uses full names, go ahead and type the full thing out, whatever is standard for your postal system. Now enter the zip code or postal code. Double check this one. One wrong digit and a letter could end up at the wrong post office entirely. It happens more often than you would think. Choose the correct country from the drop-down menu. Do not skip this. Xero needs to know which country you are in because it affects tax rules and formatting on invoices. So scroll through the list and pick the right one. Here is the really important part. Review every single field. Read it out loud to yourself if you have to. Street address, city, state, zip, country. Make sure there are no typos. I have been doing this for years, and I still always take that extra 30 seconds to double check. It saves you a headache later when the tax authority or a client points out a mistake. Finally, click the Save All Changes button at the bottom of the page. Do not click anything else, just that one button, and then you are done. So there you have it. From outdated address causing confusion to a clean, accurate mailing address that shows up correctly on every invoice and every tax document. Your clients will see the right location, your tax filings will have the right information, and you can stop worrying about that one little detail. If this helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe for more walkthroughs like this one. I will see you in the next video.